let's see if we're streaming. Let's see here. Got everything muted. I do. So let's see if we're live. Are we live? Are we live? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Looking at it. There we go. Hey guys, how's it going? That's B Squared 757. I'm gonna go ahead and do a unboxing for Loot Crate. Switch back over to OBS so I can see myself live. Loot Crate is a monthly subscription, like a geek box where you get like random goodies. It doesn't cost too much, like $15 a month, so not too bad. This and every month they have a theme. This month's theme is cyber. Boing, 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 boing. Cyber. So probably some Terminator stuff since there's Terminator movie coming out. Hopefully you guys can hear me alright. The mic's a little further back than it usually is. I got a new cat who's gonna make some noise, so if you hear that, that's what that is. And he's messing with my camera here. Isn't that great? Alright, hold on. Alright, that's good. So there you go, there's Link. Get to see his handiwork. So let's get started, yeah? Loot Crate. Usually on these, you only need one little swoop, so got my handy dandy Rainbow Dash. Over and done, son. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Let me get it in the camera here. Yeah, that's a cool looking Loot Crate box. Alright, first off, let's go ahead and, whoa, pen popped out. So it looks like they gave me a t-shirt. Sometimes they come with t-shirts, pretty cool. Prime. Oh, that's funny. It's like Tron. It's Optimus Prime. Prime. Autobots roll out. Pretty cool. Colors are probably better down on the bottom screen. It's a cool tee. Autobots. And the next thing we got here is half-scale Endo Skull from Terminator. Well, we got glare on that, don't we? It's a Loot Crate exclusive. Let's take a look. Is it half-scale? Some scary stuff right there, huh? Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. It's pretty cool. Loot Crate exclusive. So there's a new Terminator coming out this summer. So that's what this is from. Back in the box you shall go. Terminator. Let's see what else we got here. Alright. Looks like brain chip. So it's a Terminator brain chip. Controls the unit, yeah. Man, this thing is heavy. Oh. Dropped it. Brain chip. This thing is like really heavy. And just so you can see how big it is, it's a finger here. Solid piece. So it's a keychain. That is a heavy keychain. Heavy, heavy, heavy. She's so heavy. What is this one from, huh? Is that from Terminator? I don't know. Yeah, let me show you guys a little closer. It's a patch. Alright, this is a pencil bag, I guess. It's got circuitry on it. Like a pencil bag with a clip. And you come with a book that explains everything. Comes with a pen every month with a theme. This month it is cyber. Oop, there you go. Now we can see. There's something else in the bottom here. Oh, there's a couple things. It's a mouse pad. Ink is messing with something down there. This is a big old mouse pad. I don't know what this is from. Maybe a video game. Assassin's Creed, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what that's from. I don't play a lot of computer games. I haven't played a lot of games lately anyway. Oh, sorry for the bouncing. Got something here. Trying to get to that. Oh, it's paper, so I don't want to bend it. Loot Crate, why must you do this to me? This seems pretty cool. I'm already excited. It says Battlestar Galactica BSG 75 Range Sheet Command Issue Cross Rank Service for range facility use only. Let's see what's in here. I'm guessing it's like Cylon, like shooting range stuff. Target. Yeah. That's pretty cool. New. That is pretty cool. I do like Battlestar. I really like Caprica. Caprica's great. Uh-oh. How did I get this out? I don't fuck it up. No, Link, you can't play with this. You guys see Link down there? Is this one the same? Looks like it might be, but let's take a look. Yeah, it's the same. Should get like some bows, a bow and arrows, and hit the range with it. Alright, and then the last item is looks like some stickers. Nerd Machine San Diego. Join us for Nerd Headquarters. Maybe it's during Comic-Con or something. I don't know. Stickers. So you can... Lately they've been doing like different things with the boxes. If you look inside there, some Terminator units. And you could like assemble it. It looks like the head is right there. So you could probably like take it apart and like make it stand up. That seems cool. Let me put this back in here and look at the book real quick. Got pictures of other looters. Talk about Mr. Robot. Oh yeah, that show, that new show. Haven't seen it. Coloring page. Talks about the Mega Crate. A Mega Crate is something that one lucky fan gets every month. This one, it says total value priceless. Okay, it says it comes with a PC case hand painted by Gearbox artist. NVIDIA Shield tablet, pretty cool. NVIDIA GTX 960 graphics card. Borderlands loot chest, Borderlands. Homeworld Collector's Edition, Borderlands. And it comes with a computer, I believe. Or just a graphics card and a PC case. It'd be cool to have. Zach Levi. Oh yeah. That's the nerd headquarters, dude. That's what that's about. This month was okay, I guess. Exclusive Nerd HQ sticker sheet. Spread the word. Prime t-shirt. Alright. Borderlands. Oh, okay, so the mouse pad's from Borderlands. Alright. Terminator. T-1000 Terminator Cyborg. Okay. So it tells you everything that you have in here. Oh, let's see. Future Replicant corporate logo. More human than human. Maybe that's from the new show. I don't know. And the Battlestar Galactica Cylon target poster. Oh yeah, and the glow in the dark. Oh, it glows in the dark. Oh. Pouch for pens and pencils and things like that. Alright, so it was okay crate this month. Not too excited about it. Not that big of a Terminator fan. I like, T2 and T1, but after that. But still, cool stuff. I think I'm the most excited about the Cylon things and the t-shirt. Prime. Optimus Prime. Well, anyway, that was my Loot Crate unboxing. If you're watching this on YouTube, no editing, so just give me a break, I guess. Share, like, subscribe, and more to come. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks.